Students, in this video, reaction of alcohol involving the removal of OH group of the alcohol. In these reactions, OH group present in any alcohol is removed. For example, this is alcohol reacts with PCl5, phosphorus pentachloride, phosphorus pentabromide, or phosphorus pentaiodide. What will happen? OH group of the alcohol is substituted by halogen RCl plus POCl3 plus HCl. It is known as phosphoryl chloride, and this is haloalkane. You can say alkyl chloride. Alkyl chloride. If bromine is used, alkyl bromide will be obtained, haloalkanes are obtained. If this reaction is carried out by the PCl3, again OH group is replaced to form RCl plus H3PO3. When reaction is carried out by the thionyl chloride, SOCl2, its name is thionyl chloride, in the presence of pyridine. In the presence of pyridine, it forms RCl plus sulfur dioxide plus HCl, hydrogen chloride. This reaction is more preferred, and you can use any hydrogen halide also. Get RX plus H2O. These are the reactions in which OH group is removed by the halogen. You can take any alcohol, methanol, ethanol, whatsoever you want. For example, if you take CH3OH plus PCl5, CH3Cl plus POCl3 plus HCl. If you take ethanol, C2H5OH plus PCl5, then we get C2H5Cl plus H plus POCl3 plus HCl. In the same way, we can use C3OH plus PCl3, then we get methyl chloride, and in the same way you can write the reaction of all the alcohols with any one of these reactants. And this reaction is more preferred. Generally asked why the preparation of haloalkane from the halogen, this reaction is more preferred. Reason is that sulfur dioxide is a gas, hydrogen chloride is a gas. We get pure haloalkanes. Side products are gases, that's why they are removed easily, and we get haloalkane. That is why this reaction is preferred. It is also known as Swart reaction. And in this way, methyl alcohol also reacts with the PCl3 to form the methyl chloride and phosphorus acid. You can write the reaction of ethanol with the PCl3, and this one is more preferred. I already told you, and it is a Darjan reaction. It is called Darjan reaction. Now, next property of alcohol is dehydration of alcohol. Next property is dehydration of alcohol. Alcohols on dehydration gives the alkene and ether. It depends on the temperature. It depends on the temperature. Dehydration of alcohol. Dehydration of alcohol. For example, this is ethanol. Or you can say ethyl alcohol. When ethanol is heated with the concentrate sulfuric acid at 160 to 170 degrees Celsius, it gives ethene CH2 double bond. This one is ethene. When ethanol is treated with a concentrate sulfuric acid at 140 degrees Celsius, it gives ether CH3 CH2 O CH2 CH3, and water molecule also liberated out. Since it is dehydration, water molecule will be liberated. And when the reaction is carried out in the presence of alumina at 350 degrees Celsius, then we get ethene plus water molecule. These are the general idea regarding the dehydration of alcohol. When ethanol is treated with a concentrate sulfuric acid at this temperature, then we get ethene, alkene. When ethanol is treated with a concentrate sulfuric acid at 140 degrees Celsius, then we get diethyl ether. When it is treated with the alumina at the presence of alumina at 350 degrees Celsius, then again we get ethene. In this way, you can say on dehydration of alcohol, the products obtained depends on the temperature and the catalyst. While the dehydrating agent, concentrate sulfuric acid acts as a dehydrating agent in this reaction. And regarding the gradation, C2H5 at concentrate sulfuric acid at the temperature of 160 to 170 degrees Celsius, ethene is obtained and water molecule is liberated. This is ethyl alcohol, or you can say ethanol. When we will take CH3, CH2, CH2, well, this is propanol. Propanol is treated with a concentrate sulfuric acid at 160 to 170 degrees Celsius. Then propene is obtained. This is propene. This is ethene, or you can say ethylene, and we get propene. When in the same way, when one butanol, you can say butanol, one is dehydrated at this condition, we get a mixture of butene, butanene and butene. But butene is more stable, highly substituted alkene. That is why major product will be butene. Since butene, you can say it is highly substituted alkene. That is why major product will be butene. And when the temperature CH3, CH2, OH, this is ethanol. When temperature is kept at 140 degrees Celsius, then we get CH3. This is ethoxyethane. This is ethoxyethane. Temperature is changed, and this is the balance equation for the dehydration of alcohol in this month. And you have to study the mechanism of this reaction also.